Morning guys, in front of me is OPPO Reno13 FS and let me show you how to do the fingerprint to this device. At first open the settings, then find and select security and privacy, scroll down and mark device unlock. Now choose fingerprint and face ID, select fingerprint and mark agree. Tap on next. And at first you need to set some backup to your fingerprint. It can be pattern, pin code or alphanumeric password. Let me choose pattern. As you can see, your lock screen password cannot be forgotten, because if you do forget it, you will not be able to unlock your device, you will have to reset it. So just stay informed and tap on next. So now draw an unlock pattern, re-enter it. And now it's time to enroll your fingerprint. So just tap on Add Now, grab your phone as you usually do it, and keep tapping till your fingerprint is fully added. Lift your finger up and hold it for a while till it's fully added. You'll be informed, you will see it on your home screen. Okay, so actually I believe it has been added. And now you will be able to unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Obviously, you can also use this backup pattern. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.